If you see the blind spot monitor unavailable warning in your Toyota, you may also be getting the rare cross traffic alert unavailable message, as well as the BSM RCTA light on the dash. This means that there is an issue with the radar sensors that are located behind the rear bumper in both corners. These radars monitor the blind spot and also spot vehicles that can potentially cause danger when you back up in your Toyota. And there are three most likely reasons why you see this warning in your car. First of all, this may be because of the snow or mud buildup on the rear bumper. The situation will prevent the sensors from working in their normal way. Also, Toyota claims that if the weather is extremely cold or hot, the BSM radars may not be functioning properly. Secondly, the problem may be with the battery in your car. When you are starting the vehicle with the dying battery, the voltage in the system drops, and this may cause glitching in various control modules. It's very often that the first sign of the dying battery is the BSM warning on the dash, and after several days you may notice other symptoms of the dying battery. You may check the battery with a multimeter or a load tester, or you may charge it with a good charger to make sure this is not your problem. And thirdly, you will see this message when one of the radars is damaged. The problem with these radars is that they are located very close to the bumper. Even if your car is slightly hit by another vehicle in the parking lot, you may not notice the damage, but the radar may be damaged. It may not be the radar itself, but the mounting bracket damage that will take the radar out of alignment. In this case, the bumper will need to be taken off and the radars will have to be inspected by professionals. There is an article on Toyota's official site about various BSM problems for the RAV4, but it applies to other vehicles too, so I will link it in the description and you may find more information there.